Hello, in this video, I will show you how to speed up your Synology NAS. Install at least 2 SSD drive to your Synology NAS. Wait until the drives are ready. Now log in to your Synology NAS and go to Main menu. Select Storage Manager. You only need to configure a single volume per SSD set. If you want to configure all volumes on your Synology NAS, you'll need to install additional SSDs. I only have 2 SSDs, so I can only configure one volume on my NAS. Click SSD Cache and click Create. Select Read and Write Cache and hit Next. Check both of your available SSD drives and select which volume you want to configure cache. Please note that you need to configure at least 2 SSDs for each setup to prevent future issues. If your SSD cache fails, you may lose data that has been temporarily stored on the SSD cache. For more information, please read more about the function of SSD cache. Thank you for watching.